My name is Will Varner, and this is TechDetect. TechDetect allows teachers to manage attendance using advanced facial detection technology to ensure that students can't skip class, fool a substitute, or check in other students maliciously. TechDetect uses facial recognition, which is linked to a locally run and secure SQL database, which lets teachers view all of their information here on a secure, login-based web portal that shows live statistics showing user attendance. Additionally, I've implemented Google's MediaPipe AI technology to implement hand detection and tracking, with the goal of helping students that are learning from home better connect to the classroom, with gestures like raising your hand or anything else being captured by the app and being sent to the teacher so the kids on Zoom or Google Meets, etc. don't feel left out, and everyone's included in the classroom environment. Running the app is simple. First, you run the create data Python file, which adds any needed databases and files, and then you run this file for every new user or face that you'd like to add. Here you can see it adding me into a database that's being created. Once you've added all your faces/students, you can move on to the main app, TechDetect.Python right here. As TechDetect boots up, it creates a new entry with today's date that stores any active users with check-in and check-out times, as well as names and student IDs for ease of viewing. Here you can see me. The app highlights user faces, and once it detects me, you can see in the terminal it's logging me in, appending my name with some other stats we set it, such as time and date, into our database. Here you can see it tracks my face and features a confidence score, which only detects a face once it's high enough score, so kids that look kind of similar don't need to worry about getting confused by the application. You can also see Google MediaPipe's AI hand detection, which tracks multiple points of the fingers, allowing for advanced gestures, like our raising hand zoom gesture. I've gone ahead and implemented the hand raising detection in the terminal, as you can see here. Of course, teachers need to see this data for it to be useful, and all this can be seen on the database website, which is created using Flask to connect Python with HTML. You can run the site by opening this file here. Of course, everything can be customized, and with a few quick clicks and phrases, you can completely redesign the website, fitting to your school's colors or logos, allowing you to truly customize your TechDetect experience. If you'd like to take a more detailed view, you can take a look at our MySQL database, which can be seen here. It features, of course, our database containing a list of all the students, as well as a new attendance file for every day, containing detailed information about who's here and who isn't. I have so many more plans for the future of TechDetect, and I'd love to keep working on this project, bringing more features and uses to help revolutionize the classroom and make every teacher's life just a little bit easier. Thank you so much for checking out my project, and until next time, see ya!